Okay, so today I just unboxed the Arrawis Combo Kit Stash Box, as you can see. Um, Made out of bamboo, $59 on Amazon, which is about 50 bucks less than anything similar to it. This is it right here. It's pretty heavy and pretty heavy duty. We shall open the lid. Wait, I need two hands for this. There we go. We shall open the lid and take a look inside. Not really quite sure what this space is for. Maybe storing baggies or something, I don't know. But it comes with a rolling tray that slides out and a little brush to brush all of your little crumbs into your containers. And I'm thinking this is probably a packing tool. Not sure, but that's what I would use it for. Then it has 3 hermetically sealed stink-proof glass jars for product. And what else is in there? Oh, the little aluminum 3-piece grinder that it comes with a magnetic top. And this is, like I said, a stash box, which is good for stashing things like your microwave or your Popeye pipe or herbs of any kind that you might like. No, it does not come with a lock. Easy to install one though. Just go pick one up at Walmart or something and drill it in. Anyway, there you have it, the Arrawis Combo Kit Stash Box, 59 bucks, Amazon. Go get one. Good deal.